Good morning, students. Welcome back to the another class of mathematics and with the same topic, that is probability. Okay. Last Monday we have discussed about certain terms and definitions in probability. We have studied about certain formulas also. I explained you certain more terminologies, certain more meanings of different type of events present in your syllabus. And I hope all of you have followed the same. Okay. Now, with a continuation of the same topic, we will be discussing about certain problems. From where? From your NCERT book and the exercise, the one exercise you have there, that is 15.1. Correct. Now, in the last class, what we have studied about a formula, about a relationship between a complement of an event and an event. What was the sum? Do you remember that? I hope you people have learned about it. We have studied about the sum of probability of E plus probability of E complement is always 1. Now children, see the first problem of your NCERT exercise 15.1 and the question number 5. Correct. Here it is containing a 1 marks question, an objective question, where you are provided with the probability of E and the probability of E complement is missing. Listen children, you are given such type of experiments with no more details. Just one thing, that is probability of occurrence of any event E. Okay, so I have to find out the another one, that is not E. Correct? Let's find out. Okay, now with carrying on with the formula, I am just written. So I need here probability of E complement, and this can be written as 1 minus probability of E. Am I clear? Now, what is probability of E complement? Probability of E complement is 1 minus the probability of E. I am taking the value from the question and here is your answer. Okay, so see how quickly we are able to find out the probability of E complement by using this important formula. Okay, now in question number 16 of your syllabus, I have suddenly taken this topic, this particular problem. Why? Because again I am going to use this formula in such type of problems. In such type of problems you will find 2 to 3 problems like that in your syllabus. Let's see how to find out. Okay, so I am not rubbing this particular formula, keeping this. And let us read question number 16. There are 12 defective pens which are accidentally mixed with a lot of 132 good pens. So what happens to the total number of pens in the particular lot? Let's see. Now there was a bag of good pens where we were having already 132 pens. Now the lot contains 12 plus 132 pens. Okay, so let us find out. Now in my bag there are total number of pens containing 144 in the unit. Now suddenly from the particular bag, one pen is taken out at random. Now they have a question for me. They want to know what is the probability of getting a good one. A good one means a good pen. Okay, so we have to remember the definition of probability, the theoretical definition, that is probability of any such event is equals to probability of what? Probability of any such event is given by total number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. So here outcomes means here total number of good pens by total number of pens present in the lot. So let's apply that formula. I'm going to apply the one, and it's better every time you please write down the formula for your own help. So probability, as for the first question, getting a good pen and that random pickup. So let's count the total number of good ones, that is 132. They are the favorable conditions to our choice, and out of 144. So see children, I have applied the simple problem of I have applied the simple formula only here. Now what we will do, we have to go to the next problem to look at the second option, that is not a good one. Good one and not a good one. Look at the problem please. That here they require the occurrence of getting a good one, and here they require getting not a good one. Correct. Now how to do that? Let's see. So one thing can be done. We can cancel it first, and so it is simplified to 11 by 12. Now number B, see here, not a good pen. That means I want to say it's a complement of the first one. If this is E. Now not a good pen. Not a good pen. So I am going to do this. What is it? Not a good pen means defective. See children, you can write directly also 12 by 144. I know you must have you are thinking why I have to use the formula. But see children, I am just showing you an application of that formula. If you wish, you can apply. You can go with the another method also, that is not a good one means a defective one. 12 by 144, you are absolutely right. But I just want to show you that this formula can be used in either way. Okay, by direct, in the direct questions also, and the questions which are indirect but can help me. So 1 minus 11 by 12 is again 1 by 12. Okay, so I wanted to show you the two applications of this formula, and I think I have completed showing you the one. Correct. Now after this one, I would like to continue with the topic of card system. Now I have seen that many students make a mistake, though they are studying from the very junior classes about the card system. Still, I find certain mistake in the problems of the card system. Say for example, you have a question number 14 of your syllabus, that is 15.1 exercise, where you are asked that there are 52 cards. There are 52 cards in a particular pack, and I am writing here the number 52 here, and out of 52 we have 4 different suits. What I said? 4 different suits of cards. What are they? They are hearts, diamonds, spade, and the last but not the least, clubs. Okay, so these are the 4 main categories of the 52. And all are equal in number. That is 13, 13, 13 and a 13. So, all are equal in number. Correct? Now, what is the thing? We have to know first how many of them shows me a red color cards. That is the first two I have written. Hearts and diamond. They give us red cards. So 13 plus 13. How many red cards? 26 red cards. Spade and club gives me another 26 black category cards. Okay, now this is over. But out of 13, what next categories we have? Now let's divide 13. Now let us divide 13 into different categories. So look at it very nicely, children. Many of you knows it, but still out of my own interest and trying to help you out, and a good recall can be done by this particular card system. Okay, there are 13. The first, say I'm going to write, we have a king, we have a queen, there is a jack and ace and ace. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Always remember, we have one king, one queen, one jack and an ace. That is also 1 in number. Correct. Next, we have to remember these 3 are considered to be face cards. What I said, children? These are known as face cards. What are face cards? King, queen, jack. Ace is not a face card. I find many children doing this mistake. Please do remember for now, ace is not a face card. Okay. Now, out of 13, there are 4 such categories. What about the rest? The rest are number cards. How many rest are left out? Rest are 9 cards. So 9 plus 4 gives me a 13. So from number 2 to 10. From number 2 to 10, I have number cards. And this splitting, what I have done for you, is followed in another categories also, another suits also. So this is the whole thing we have. So let's have a quick summary. 4 categories: hearts, diamond, spade, club, red cards, black cards, 26, 26. And in each suit, we have 1, 2, 3 face cards. So 3 into 4, total 12 face cards. What did I say? Total 12 face cards. Let's recall, total 12 face cards. Okay. So if it is asked how many face cards, you know what to answer then. Okay. And the rest are this. Rest 9 are number cards. Correct, children? Now, say in question number 14, you have so many questions that you have to find this, that and whatever. After knowing this division, I think you will be able to find out anything you wish to. Okay. Now, let's do certain questionnaire rounds with this. Look at this system. Suppose you are asked how many face cards are there? So 12. So probability of getting face cards will be 12 by 52. Probability of getting a face card will be 12 by 52. Okay, now what I can do, it is better to put it in a simplified one. Understood? Now, if a question comes, how many red cards are there? How many red cards are there? You can calculate the total number of red cards is 26. Okay, now say a question comes, probability of red king. Probability of getting a red king. So probability of getting a red king can be calculated by putting the favorable outcomes. How many favorable red kings are there in the lot? Yes, you are right. That is 2. One from the heart, another from the diamond. One from the heart, another from the diamond. So 2 by 52. So that is 1 by 26. Okay, students. Now, next category, if you are asked that find out the probability of Jack of Hearts. What did I say? Probability of finding the Jack of Hearts. So how many Jack of Hearts can be there? As we know, there can be only one Jack of Heart. Okay, this is the heart category, and we have only one Jack for one category. So the answer will be, similarly, if somebody will ask you how many red queens are there, what you will answer? 2. How many black queens? 2 by 52. Okay, and how many queen of diamond is there? In a diamond, how many queens you are going to get? Only one. So like this, the questions might come, okay, which you have to answer. Now if it is asked, find out the probability of a spade, or of a diamond, or of a heart. Then you will answer 1 by 4. Okay, so the question can be of spade, a diamond, or a heart, or a club, anything. Now listen, here I have to tell you one important thing. Last day we defined equally likely events or equi-probable events. Probability of getting a head or a tail is half. So they are equally likely. Correct? Similarly, just consider this case. Probability of getting a spade is 1 by 4. Getting a diamond is 1 by 4. Getting a club is 1 by 4. Getting a heart is 1 by 4. Can't we see that they are also equally likely or equiprobable? Yes, my dear, we can see. So you got another example for that, no? Okay. Now, let's see the division of the cards again, and you can ask several questions to yourself also. You can make several questions out of this. Correct, students? So I hope in this particular session, some of the problems of your exercise are solved here, and I will be providing you, I have provided you some, and I will be providing you the solution of the entire NCERT's exercise. Now, it is a part of advice. You please go through all the problems, example problems of your NCERT. Okay, children, that will help you a lot. Fine. So, this class is over today, and have a good day. Please do follow.